Are you tired of heartburn ruining your day? It's a fiery, gut-wrenching experience that 1 in 5 of us face regularly. Did you know you can extinguish this burning sensation with items found right in your kitchen? We will share 5 effective home remedies that actually work to alleviate heartburn. These top 5 ways to treat heartburn will have you feeling better in no time. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to relief with these easy and natural solutions. Starting at number 5, baking soda. A common household item, baking soda is a quick and easy remedy for acid reflux. Just a teaspoon in a glass of water can neutralize stomach acid in a snap, providing immediate relief from that burning sensation. Number 4, ginger. This root has been a staple in natural medicine for centuries, and it's easy to see why. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the stomach, helping to reduce the discomfort of acid reflux. You can add it to your meals, sip on ginger tea, or even munch on a piece of candied ginger. Number 3, chamomile tea. This calming herbal tea doesn't just help you relax. It's also known to reduce acid reflux symptoms and promote better sleep. A cup of chamomile tea before bed could make your nights a lot more restful. And at number 2, aloe vera juice. This is not just for soothing sunburns, it can also reduce inflammation in your stomach and esophagus. Drinking aloe vera juice can help reduce the frequency of acid reflux attacks. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much aloe vera juice can have a laxative effect. And surprisingly, the number 1 home remedy for acid reflux is chewing gum. Yes, you heard it right. Chewing gum stimulates saliva production, which can help dilute stomach acids. So the next time you feel that familiar burn after a meal, pop in a piece of gum and chew away. It's a simple, cost-effective method that can provide relief in a matter of minutes. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. So feel free to experiment with these remedies and see what works best for you. And there you have it, the top 5 home remedies for acid reflux. Who knew relief could be as simple as a piece of gum? Try them out, see how your body reacts, and find which one works best for you. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. If your symptoms persist, please consult a healthcare professional. And there you have it, 5 home remedies to fight acid reflux right from your kitchen. It's very convenient to know you can tackle this discomfort with ingredients you likely already have on hand. Tap that subscribe button and give us a like. Get in the comments section with your opinion on these 5 remedies and share what has worked for you. Your suggestion might be the secret remedy someone else is looking for. Thank you for watching.